Performance. The throttle installation of Ducati with a sports car. First of all, for the throttle valve installation, what you need to pay attention to is the four monuments of our throttle valve. The lower position of the monument must be aligned. Align it. Let's put it on first. And then check the direction of the wire below. Okay, let's place the throttle body in place first. Then, tighten the throttle's fixing screws. All 16 fixing screws. We'll tighten them all completely. Okay, after all the screws are tightened, we can reset the plug on the throttle valve first. To reset, first, we need to pay attention to the one below. Pay attention to the position of this wire. Make sure the position comes from the bottom of the motor. Then reset the plug. Then the motor of the front cylinder. Then the inside of the seal ring. Observe it. The inside seal must be in place. Next, let's look at this side. Observe the inside of the seal. Finally, it's our plug. Okay, after all is reset, the variable P cup on top, we need to reset it. The reset of the variable P cup, I will explain this part to you. First, determine the direction of the sealing cup. Determine the direction. It's like this. Determine the direction of the seal cup, then. Our half cup also has a left and right direction. Connect the lower part of the cup and put it inside like this. When we put it in, first gently place the side in place. Then, on this side, observe the positions of the holes and connections. The connector must be aligned here. Okay, after we put the variable P cup on, fasten the clamps on top and fasten them, then the variable P cup is installed. Tighten the screws here. You can see this for fastening screws. We need to tighten them again. When tightening these screws, everyone should pay attention to tightening evenly. To ensure the entire variable P cup breaker is evenly stressed, fix it on it. After we have tightened it, what we need to do is to check the activity of the variable P cup, whether it is free and whether it is affected the middle movable valve. You can see the function of the variable wind cup is to switch the air intake volume. You can see that the sealing cup can be lifted. It is used to switch the air intake high and low speeds to keep the air intake at available for the engine to operate, which is the function of variable valve. After we check it, we reset the wire harness. Then, during the learning or installation process, if you encounter any problems, friends who have purchased the genuine course can send a private message to the customer service to get one-on-one exclusive service. Friends who have purchased the genuine course, submit your questions. Submit them to the customer service. We will have a dedicated person to reply to you. Okay. Let's continue to reset the wiring harness. First, for the wiring harness, you can see that the variable wind cup drives wiring harness. Secondly, in the previous course, I emphasized in the disassembly course, you enter a high voltage and accompanied by an environment of airflow. So we need to fix all the wires. Fix their original brackets. You can see this bracket. We fixed these wires, including the lower part. This wire bundle. To the bracket they belong to. After fixing all the wire bundles, and finally check it again. In this way, our variable intake and the throttle valve installation are in place. We only need to reset the cover of the air intake chamber. The air intake cover, when installing, you need to pay attention to not to affect the wires on both sides. In this way, we will put the clips around the intake chamber. All back in place. All the clips are in place. After that, check the air intake chamber's tightness. Then tighten the two fixed screws. Tighten the two fixed screws. The reset of the intake chamber and throttle valve is completed.